Hello students, in this session I am going to explain you the properties of a table. In the previous video session I explained you what is a relational database model and what are the advantages and disadvantages. And here I am going to explain you that what are the properties of a table we have to maintain. So as I told you, relational database model was introduced by E.F. Codd in 1970, and here this model maintains the data in the form of table which consists number of rows and columns, and here rows are called as tuples, columns are called as fields or attributes. And one more name is also there for a table, that table is also called as a relation table. Both the terms are same. And come to the properties of a table. First, number one, it is a two-dimensional structure composed of rows and columns. As we discussed, every table, the table here two-dimensional structure. Two dimensions means one is horizontal and vertical. Composed of those horizontal are called as rows, vertical are called as columns. And each row and column are unique. Here in this table, while entering the data, we should follow this rule that every row should be unique and column should be unique. What is unique is nothing but maintaining different data. For suppose here I inserted in the first record 100 Jyoti manager 10,000. It should not be repeated in another row or another record. So that is called different record should be maintained and different column should be maintained. That is called unique. And each row column intersection represents a single value. That intersection is called a cell. So individual cell, definitely it should maintain single value. Multiple values are not supported here. And all values in a column must match with column data type. So here employee number is a type of number type. Here numbers only allowed. And the ename is a type of varchar2. So it's a data type to insert name type of data. So here only that type of data is allowed, not allowed number type. And here it is varchar2, same name type of data, like alphabets are only allowed here. So like that every value of column must match with column data type. And order of the rows and column is not important. Order is not important, like this should be first and this should be second. There is no particular rule. So order may be in any way, but that should be unique. And each row must have a primary key. It is very important that keeping primary key is supporting that, checks every time that there is no null and no duplicate. Okay, primary key follows two major rules: no null, no duplicate. Null means empty. So if we don't know any value, we'll keep empty, no, but it does not support. So that we should keep a primary key which does not allow null values and duplicates. Here is a primary key for this employee table, employee number, because number, all definitely we know the number of an employee, and there should not be no duplicate. One number is given to one employee, definitely it should not be repeated to other employee. So which property is following these two conditions will keep a primary key. So these are the properties of a table. Thank you.